It's raining and it's nice. It's finally quit raining, so first stop, coffee. Justin just realized that we left the shore power outlet open, so it's kind of like having your gas door open. People will point and laugh at you, so it's a good thing you caught that in time.
I don't like that laugh. That makes me cry.
Yeah, don't make Justin cry. Don't make fun of us in the comments, especially not him. Oh shit, the cops.
Me that all the time.
Just kidding. After we picked up coffee, we headed over the mountain to Charlottesville. We stopped at a Best Buy so we could pick up our new dash camera, and now we're headed back to the farm. Today we're installing our first ever dash cam. Pretty excited.
Yay!
We've got the Rexing V5C Plus with GPS. It's supposed to record the outside and in the cabin. So. So the dash cam is in. We just took it for a little test run and it seems to be working great. Justin was able to tuck the cable right up here behind our mirror, and it goes around, down, and right there. It plugs right into the cigarette lighter. So pretty sweet so far. It records the front, then we can record the cab to see our reaction from things, I guess. And we can also buy and attach a rear view camera. So that's something that we could do if we end up really liking it. But so far, pretty good. Currently making my favorite meal in the van. My favorite meal to make in the van because it's a one-pot meal. Alright, so chopped up the bacon, added it in here with the Brussels sprouts. They're browning, and they're turning that green color that the internet recipe websites say they're supposed to be. So I think they're almost done. Found these.
A few moments later.
And there it is. The most delicious one-pan dinner in the van. So it's a beautiful day outside. The weather's literally lovely for November in Virginia. And Justin is sick.
Yep.
How do you get sick right now?
I'm having a weak ass immune system or allergies because I got a weak immune system now. We were around a bunch of shit kids over the week.
I don't know. We really hate being sick. I don't think anyone likes being sick. But I feel like when Justin gets sick, it's the worst kind of sick. And then being sick in the van, it's just not the bee's knees.
Nope. It fucking blows.
At least you got your little buddy.
Yeah, he makes sure I feel good.
Well, there you have it. I guess that's what we've been up to. We'll kind of play it by ear. Hopefully Justin will be feeling better soon, and then we can hit the road and mark another state off our list. Really hoping I don't get sick next, so Justin can just get over this and have it done. It's about time for Dre to get her allergy shot. Poor girl suffers from some seasonal allergies, so that's another thing we've got to do. If you haven't already, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you'll be notified about our new uploads. We will be seeing you guys once at least every week. Every Sunday, we'll be dropping by to share something else new about our van life with you. So, thanks again, and we'll see y'all soon.